Welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today we'll be going to talk about like how to upload a video in your YouTube channel. So if you are a beginner and you want to start your new YouTube channel, then you need to know like how to upload your video in YouTube, right? So in this tutorial I'll be going to talk about step by step how we can upload a video in YouTube, right? So I have already created the video and I'll be going to upload the video. So I have landed into my YouTube studio. So in here, so if you don't know like how to navigate to the YouTube studio, you just need to search for your like YouTube studio. You just need to simply search for YouTube studio, and in here you will find like youtubestudio.youtube.com. On clicking on it, you could just simply navigate to your YouTube studio, right? So this is your YouTube channel. This will be your YouTube channel interface, and this is your YouTube studio, right? So on clicking on from here as well, you could just hit on this plus create button to create or upload a video or create a post or just go live. So those are options available, and in on clicking on this create button as well, you could like from the studio there will be lots of more options, like you could just create a new playlist, you could launch a new course on new show, and for the timing I'll just going to upload a simple video, right? So on clicking on upload video, we'll just need to select the file. So in here I'll be selecting this file. So, and let me just provide the title name as this one, create your first segment. And let me just I'll just update these steps later sometime, but in this video I'll be just going to show you like how to upload your first video in YouTube, right? So now you just need to update something. I'll just going to update these captions. If you want to just tag someone, you want to just mention someone, this is how you could do that. So this is how you could mention. So this is my another channel, my personal channel, which is Pariplav Pal. So I'll be just mentioning this one. You could actually in here in the, so this is the description section, right? So this is the title section. In here you just need to provide the title of your video. For example, this tutorial covers like what is the segment in data cloud step by step. In here, that is why I just provided this title, and this is where we can provide the descriptions, and this is the playlist, and this is the playlist links are there. And in here I have just added my Instagram and LinkedIn profile URLs, and on clicking on this product tabs, you just need to add new products. So for the timing, let me just add these products, one plus bullets. Let me just add few more products, save products. Let me just navigate. This is how you could just add products in your video that will show as promotional purposes. And in here in the thumbnail section, you could just upload your thumbnail. So in the later sessions, in the next tutorial of this YouTube configurations, like how to work with YouTube, I'll be going to show like how to generate your auto thumbnail from the YouTube studio itself, right? So in here, if I just show you, so this is like this icon, this Ask Studio AI icon is there, right? So from there, we could just generate thumbnail for free. We could generate thumbnail for free from the ChatGPT, but this thumbnail will be created from your YouTube studio. You can create unlimited thumbnails at free of cost without burning any tokens, right? So in here, so this is how we could just choose a playlist, or you could create a new playlist as well. So since this is a data cloud tutorial, I'll be going to add like data cloud playlist into in here, and you could just add multiple playlist as well. So we just need to select like no, it's not made for kids always. And in the age restrictions, in the advanced, we could just in the AI use. So this is AI was used to generate or edit your content in any of the following ways, like it makes a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say it or do, right? So it's basically asking for any of the tutorials of this video is generated by AI or not, right? So this is not true. So we are not using any AI to generate the video. It is so there is no AI images also there, right? But thumbnail is different. Thumbnail we could use AI to generate thumbnails, but it is going to talk about the video content, right? So my voice is my voice. This is not a AI generated voice that I used in the video. This is my voice that I'm talking, right? So we could just simply making it no, right? And in here we could just invite collaborators as well in your channel, right? So on clicking on invite collaborator, you could just actually search for my channel. For example, if I search for my another personal channel, Pariplapal, and in here we could see my channel, and you could create a link as well, or on toggling on this one, so it will allow my other channel to see the analytics of this video, right? So this is how we can invite collaborator, and we could actually copy the link and share with our collaborator to be accepted as a collaborator. And you can see like pending acceptance is there, right? So on clicking on save, we could actually invite the collaborator, and the link needs to be shared with that collaborator so that he can log into the YouTube Studio and just accept the collaborations, right? So on clicking on manage collaborations, you could see like pending acceptance. So this kind of configurations you could do, and in here you could mention tags for the video. I'll just we could add more tags, like up to there are like character limits of 500. For example, if I just want to add more tags, data cloud, you could generate these tags from any AI platforms, right? So tags are ways to improve your search engine optimization, so that this video will be searchable in your in browsers, for example Google, right? So that is how tags will help you to search engine optimizations. So this your video ranking will be more if you provide more contextual tags, right? So let me just provide one tag, for example data cloud tutorials for beginners. So you can see the characters limit exceeded, so I'll just remove few tags from here, right? So now I'll just need to update like recording date. We can update. We just need to select the standard YouTube license, and we could just allow this, like allow video or audio remixing. Category could be education, type could be like how to, and label could be beginner level, academic system India, or this could be like, you can just choose like academic system none actually, right? So because this is a tutorial on digital, right? So you can just make like academic system as none as well, right? So label type as beginner, right? So you could actually comments on or off you could do, and moderation you could add like hold potentially inappropriate comments, those kind of spam comments. For that you just need to select this basic uh, moderation you could just select, right? So who can comment? Anyone. So you could just update like subscriber and members, those kind of stuffs, those kind of configurations you could do. And finally, for example, show how many viewers like this video, this kind of configuration. If I uncheck this one, so likes count will not be visible to the viewers, right? Those kind of basic configurations we could do for uploading a video in YouTube. And as I mentioned, means I'll show in the next tutorial like how to create the thumbnail from the YouTube Studio to using the AI features, right? So if you have already monetized YouTube channel, then you will see this step in here, unless if you not have monetized or will be monetized some day after, then you will be just going to video elements step directly from the details. So since I have already a monetized YouTube channel, that is why I'll be selecting this option as monetization as on, and I'll be choosing monetization as on. And in here show mid-roll as ads during the video. So mid-roll ads will be shown like videos more than of 8 minutes duration, right? Those since this video is of like 18 minutes long, that is why this option is showing to me. If the video duration is less than 8 minutes, then this checkbox option will not be shown, right? So we could actually review mid-roll placement as well. For the timing, I'm not going to do that. I'll just simply click on next and add suitability. Again, as I mentioned, like since this channel is monetized, that is why I am seeing these two options. After enabling this monetization as on, we'll be seeing this add suitability option, right? So I'll just make it so these are the different. So this is the latest update from YouTube, like whether this video violates any of the steps following, right? So my video does not violate any of the things like inappropriate languages, adult contents, violence, shocking content, harmful acts, unreliable claims, recreational or drug contents, enabling dishonest behavior, hateful, derogatory content, firearms related content, sensitive events, controversial issues. None of this applicable to my channel, right? To my video, right? So I just upload videos on educational purpose to spread my knowledge and need to learn more from my tutorials, right? So that's how I started my YouTube channel. So I'll just click on like none of the above and let me just update the submit the rating. So and you can see after clicking on this none of the above, we could see actually this option like how you rated your video overall, right? Save for ads. So this is how you could submit your self rating, right? And you can see I have already in previous already more than 3 months my channel got monetized, and you could see actually right what happened next. And I am rating my videos so consistently good, that is why you can see this sentence, your rating accuracy is high, so we will monetize your video using your input, right? So if there is a strong sign in your input is inaccurate, your monetization status may change, right? So since I have provided accurate ratings earlier, that is why YouTube will select my input, right? So this is how we could tell that this video is safe for ads, right? So it is eligible for revenue resources from ads, YouTube Premium, other YouTube revenue like merchandise and all, right? So on clicking on save submit rating, we could just submit my rating and I'll just click on next. Then I have already tagged products already. Now let me just add the end screen. So there are different options, so I'll just select this option, and in here let me just select the playlist for data cloud, for example. So after selecting the playlist, we could just actually save these configurations, and so we can see that green tick is there is for the end screen, green tick is there for add products. We could actually add cards, right? So the eye icon, right? So on clicking on video, we could actually add, for example, I want to add my masterclass data cloud tutorial as a eye icon, right? So masterclass, so this is the part 1 data cloud masterclass, right? So we could actually mention the timestamp. For example, I want to show this video on 10 minutes, right? So this is how we could add the timestamp for the video. So this is at the 10 minutes it will be shown, right? So this is how we could actually provide the timestamp where the eye icon, so eye icon video will be shown. So this is how you could see the eye icon, and in the eye icon you could see the video reference, right? So and you could add quizzes as well. For the timing, I'm not going to do that. And for let me just click on next again, and it will just checking like still checking initial checks, and it will just so you can see uploading 66%, 6 minutes left. So it will be happening in the backend. So on clicking on visibility, I'll be just going to upload this video as like, for example, let me just upload it at a schedule basis, right? So I upload video on like, for example, Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 7 p.m. So I'll just set the video schedule to, for example, 19th August 7 p.m, right? 7 p.m. This is how we could schedule our video. You could select the options like public, so it will be immediately public for your video. But it best practices to always means schedule your video so that at the back end you could see like some of the checks will be happened in the back end, so that would be covered. And if you schedule your video, as per of my knowledge, means it will be more indexed so that it will reach more targeted audience rather than some random public views, right? So this is how we could just schedule our videos. So I have scheduled it on 19th August at 7 p.m. IST. So we could set premiere as well. For the timing, I'm not going to do that, right? So now on clicking on schedule, we could actually schedule our video, right? So it will say we recommended taking another look. If you don't fix issues before publishing, you may get a strike or have your visibility on monetization restricted. Come back before your video is published on 19th August 2026 to make sure there are no issues, right? So I'll just click on got it, and we'll be seeing this video is scheduled at the 19th August 7 p.m. and it is still uploading. So it will be completed in the background. So if there are any issues, it will you will find some notices in the in your video content, right? So this is how we could just simply upload your video in your YouTube channel, right? So I'll be uploading more tutorials of this kind of YouTube configurations, how related YouTube related tutorials, right? How to create thumbnails, how to configure different YouTube settings, and how to enable your YouTube channel so that it will be you could achieve the minimum requirements of 1000 of subscriber and 4000 of watch hours, so that you could also get monetized, right? So I'll be uploading these tutorials as well, apart from uploading Salesforce, Omni Studio, and Data Cloud, as well as those topics, right? So I'll be continue to uploading those tutorials as well, but sometimes I'll be going to upload this kind of tutorials so that you could also start your own YouTube channel, and uh, you could you could create your own content, right? So that's all for today's demo. Hope you find it helpful, and if you like my content, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and please stay tuned, and thanks for watching.